Okay, so this question is telling us to use this table to find the slope and then determine the units for the slope. So first let's do a little refresher on what the definition of slope is. Slope, abbreviated with a lowercase m, is the change in y divided by the change in x. So we need to find the difference between 2 points on the y and the difference between the 2 points on the x, and then that ratio is going to be our slope. So it looks like when you did it, you were just taking the ratio of each individual point. That's not a slope. Slope has to happen, if we have some line, there has to be this change in y, change in x. So we're looking for how the ratio of how this changes over this changes, not just an individual point. It doesn't matter which one of these, which points would you choose, they're going to all come out the same because we're in the linear chapter. So we have hours and cats. So it looks like 3 hours there are 14 cats, and then at 6 hours there are 20 cats. So I'll use those as my 2 points. So if we do change in y, 20 minus 14, so that's our second variable, and this is cats. Oops, that didn't work out. And then that's going to be over change in hours. So this is 6 minus 3, and that is hours. And again, so I know the top is change in y, and looking at we're putting in hours and we're getting out cats, so that's how I knew which order to put these in. So our units are going to be cats per hour. I'm not sure what's happening to these cats per hour, but that would be our units. And then just to finish out with the slope itself, we'll do the math. So 20 minus 14 would be 6. 6 minus 3 would be 3. And so 6 over 3 would make 2 cats per hour, whatever is happening to these cats. So hopefully that helps out.